Hello, today I'm gonna show you how you can quickly select any face of a cube. So I'm gonna start with the delete geometry I already have here by face. So I'm gonna use normal with the compare node. I'm gonna set this from float to vector and greater than. I'm gonna switch to equal. So I'm gonna plug this into my selection and this normal into A, and I'm gonna increase the epsilon value to 1. And if I say 1 is gonna be the minus x value. So if I say minus 1 is gonna be the plus x value, and so on for the other one. So 1 is gonna be minus y, minus 1 is gonna be plus y value, and 1 is gonna be the minus z value on the bottom, and you can see here. And if I deselect my main cube, you're gonna see here isolated, and also minus 1 here. You're gonna see the z-axis plus on bottom. So we can group this to make things more efficient and faster. So we can say this is 1, this is 0, and we can rename it and say this was minus x. So we can copy this 5 more times for each side, and we can plug in, adjust the values and rename accordingly. So I already have done this here, so I have all the different sides. So plus x, minus x, plus y, minus y, and both z-axis. So yeah, this is very useful, the selection node. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you next time.